Would you love to be able to get more traffic to your page so that way you can get some more eyeballs on what you're doing? Would that be a little bit helpful? And when I say page, I'm talking about a business page, okay? Not a profile, how to get more traffic and eyeballs to your business page. So that's what we're going to discuss here today on the Lady Tribe show. Let's just call it that. Lady Tribe show. So good morning. My name is Fallon Zoe. I am your Lady Tribe leader, helping you run your business from anywhere. And I'm also the founder and creator of The Secret Mermaid Cove. I'm trying to grab Shogun here. You're like, who's Shogun? I'm trying to grab Shogun. I'm also the founder and creator of The Secret Mermaid Cove, which is a private coaching community. I specialize in helping women grow their businesses organically on social media, meaning no paid ads. And I have my little partner in crime with me here today, my 27-year-old umbrella cockatoo. His name is Shogun. Your name Shogun. Every now and then he will be a little chatterbox, and then sometimes he's quiet as a mouse. So you just never know what you're going to get. He's like a box of chocolates. You just never know what you're going to get, right? Do your kids do that sometimes? Like, what's going to happen today? What's their little mood going to be like today? That's Shogun. So let's discuss page traffic, you guys. Okay, so who has a business page on Facebook? Yes? If so, go ahead and drop the name down in the comments. You're more than welcome to, you can tag your page there down in the comments or just put the name. Also, let us know, what is your page about? Okay, so I would highly recommend, if you want to get your own traffic to your page, let us know what your page is about, right? Just dropping the page name or a page link isn't going to get you any traffic. So let us know what it's about. All right. So, and how long, also, I'm a little curious, how long have you had your business page? Are you actively building it? So there's a couple different factors when it comes into building your page. Just because you have a page doesn't mean you're actively building it. Okay. I have multiple pages. I'd have to count, actually. I think I have 5 or 6 pages, but I'm not actively building all of them. I'm only actively building one, which is the Lady Tribe page. Okay. And that's really important to understand. Before we get into the training, is just because you have a business page doesn't mean you're actively building it. Have a page for the tool that it is. Okay. And I'm going to get into more of that training. When you comment the word event down in the comments, the Mermaid Messenger is going to send you a message. Okay. So when you comment the word event, the Mermaid Messenger is going to send you over a message, and she's going to add you to her list, because I'm going to be doing an upcoming training all about business pages, only business pages. I'm going to do a 7-day training on business pages, but each training of those 7 videos, I'm going to do them live. They're going to be public, and they're going to be free right here on the Lady Tribe page, but they're only up for 24 hours, and then they turn into cyber dust. Poof. If you're a mermaid, one of our mermaid members, it's going to go in your web login, and you're going to have access to it after the 24 hours, but off of public view after 24 hours. Okay, so make sure you comment event so you don't miss when we're going to be doing that training. Okay, so understanding, just because you have a page doesn't mean that you're actively building it. Okay, this is a big difference. If you're actively building it and you're putting time there, then this is the conversation that we're going to have today, how to get people there. If you're not actively building your business page and you're just using it as a tool, but you're not building community, that's the best way to define it. So you have a business page, and you're either just simply using it as a tool, meaning you're using it as a resource to collect reviews. Maybe you're using it to have a couple things listed in your shop. Maybe you're using it as a little landing page to have enrollments for your group, all sorts of different things. Okay, you're just using it for a tool, and you're not building community. Then we have business pages where you're doing all of those things that I just listed, but then you're also building community. That's the Lady Tribe. Okay, we're building community here. Some pages you can just use for a resource, kind of like a little simple web page, if you will. Okay, that's another topic. I'm going to go more into that during our event, so make sure you comment event. Okay, so how do you get more traffic to your page, right? Let's chat about it. So one of my favorite ones, and we're learning this, so tip number one of my favorite tips is to make sure that your page is your business page. is mentioned in the work history section on your personal profile. Okay. Now I have my, I can show you my screen here really quick. And let me just show you what I mean. Okay. Because we're covering this inside the Mermaid Cove, the private coaching community. Actually, we just covered that yesterday during our profile overhaul mini series. Here's what I'm talking about. And you're like, what are you talking about, Fallon? So if we go to my profile here, and we're going to wait for this to load. Boop, 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 boop. It's going to take a little bit. We're going to be able to see kind of like what I'm talking about. Anyway, while I'm waiting for that to load, is you want to make sure that your business page is mentioned and tagged in your work history section. Okay. Meaning that, like, if you go to my personal profile, which we're going to look at here in one moment when this loads up, come on. It's going to say live videos at Lady Tribe. And then the word Lady Tribe is highlighted in black and it's actually tagged. And then that allows, here we go, I had to refresh it. That allows people to be click and head on over. Here's our video that we're doing right now. Okay, so if I scroll up a little bit, here, right here on the left-hand side. Okay, now this is desktop view, but it's gonna look the same on mobile or in this work history section. You guys know what I'm talking about? Okay, so it says live videos at Lady Tribe. See that? And see when I hover over the word Lady Tribe, then it's going to take them directly to my page. Okay, so this is my favorite way to get traffic over to your business page. I see so many people not have this in their work history section. So many people, or they're doing it wrong. There's also that scenario too. And we chatted about that yesterday inside the Mermaid Cove. Lesson number 4, part 1. Okay, so if you're a mermaid, make sure that you go check out that lesson number 4. Because I see so many people get this wrong also, that they're driving traffic to the wrong place. Okay, so number 1 tip is make sure that your business page is in your work history section, because when people go to your personal profile, they can go, oh, she has a business page. Okay, and then they can boop, head on over there. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2 is, did you know that you can like and comment as representing your business page on other business pages? Okay. So Keith says, should we start doing our lives on our business page? No, I'm going to cover that. If you comment the word event, Keith, I'm going to address that very specifically. Okay. So just because I'm talking about business pages doesn't mean that you need to start putting all of your content. Remember what I said at the beginning? I said either you're focusing and building community on your business page, meaning you're putting 90% of your effort on your page. Okay. And that's the focus. Or you just use your business page as a tool, as a resource to collect reviews, to have products featured in your shop, and to maybe have a messenger bot set up for automation. You can have it linked to your group, and that's it. You're not actually creating content on your page. Okay. So there's 2 different kind of strategies there that I use to growing a page, and make sure that you're using it for the right purpose. Because if you're just like randomly creating stuff on your page and you don't have a purpose behind it, you're not going to have any success. Okay. So second thing anyway that I was saying is how to get more traffic to your business page is you can like and comment representing your business page on other business pages. Okay. Did you know this? So you want to find other similar communities that have a similar audience to your page. Okay. Whatever. And you guys were commenting like what your page is about and all that type of stuff. You want to find other communities and other pages that have a similar type audience as you, and you want to go be involved, not spamming. Okay, really important, not spamming and, oh, hey, come follow my page, blah, 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 but interacting, helping answer questions, leaving positive comments, all that type of stuff on that other page as your page. Okay, so I could go to another page. Let's say I could go to ABC123 page. And I could like and comment and respond to other people's comments, and I could comment on videos. I could watch videos. I could comment on videos, comment on posts, all that stuff as Lady Tribe, not as Fallon Zoe. Fallon Zoe is my personal profile, right? I could go to that business page, that other business page that I'm visiting, and I could like and comment as Lady Tribe. Did you know this? Yeah. So it's a great way. Again, you cannot be spammy with this, because if you're spammy, you're going to get blocked from that page. I'll just tell you. Like, I have people do that here on my page. They'll come and like and comment in the comments as their business page and be like, and they're dropping links to their website and like all this stuff. And I'm like, girl, really? And I just block. Okay, so you're going to get blocked if you do that to other people. Just going to happen. Don't do that. Don't be spammy, salesy weirdo. But if you are genuine with your activity, if you're genuinely interacting on that page and within that community, that's a great way to get traffic to your page organically, right? All of this is organic. Okay. Number 3 little hack. This one is awesome. You can actually join groups. This is a new update. You can join groups as your business page. Did you know this? Now, not all groups allow it, right? Because it's up to the group admin based on the group settings if they allow pages to send a member request to that group. But for example, I use BeLive TV. Okay, that's the service that I'm using right now in order to show my screen. I can feature your guys' comments. That's right, Kim, they get sent to the block party. I can feature people's comments like this. I can do screen share. So if I wanted to, do side-by-side screen with my screen over here, I could do it side-by-side screen like this. I could do all sorts of different stuff. I could make my screen like really small, and I could show you, like, I could have maybe a before and after picture featured over here, which would be kind of cool. Maybe I'm, in health and wellness, and I could have a before and after picture featured up here while I'm talking. That would be kind of cool instead of my screen here. You can do all sorts of really neat things. So anyway, I'm using BeLive TV. So my example that I wanted to give you is BeLive TV has a Facebook group. It's like a community Facebook group. And I am in that group as my page, Lady Tribe. So I can post and I can comment as my page, Lady Tribe, within that group. So and the group is called BeLivers, BeLivers. If somebody wants to drop it down in the comments, then you can do that for me. That would be super helpful. BeLivers. And that is the Facebook group. Make sure you go join that group. Like I said, it is for BeLive TV, and it's the service that I'm using right now. And it's a great community for live streamers. Anyway, so yes, I am controlling from my computer. So in order to use BeLive TV, you do need to have a computer because the streaming capabilities, there's a lot going on here, and this is too much for just a mobile phone. So it's not going to work for you. So you do have to have a desktop. Okay. Anyway, so you can join groups as your business page. Now, again, not every admin is going to have the settings where it's going to allow you to request as your business page. Not every admin is going to have that. Also, if you ask to join a group as your business page, and you could obviously the admin can always deny your request, but depending on the group, yeah, right there. Nancy commented, perfect spelling there. BeLivers. Perfect. Thank you, Nancy. But example, the BeLivers TV group, they focus on our TV group. Yeah, BeLivers group focuses on live streaming. So they allow you to join the community, join their Facebook group as your live streaming page or your profile, right? So I joined the group as my page, Lady Tribe. So I can go like and comment and post content as Lady Tribe, like it says Lady Tribe, commenting as Lady Tribe. No Fallon Zoe to be seen whatsoever. So it's a great way to be able to get traffic. If I'm posting value to a group, right, I can get traffic to my page because now I'm interacting and liking and commenting within that community that's active as my page. Did you guys know this? How cool. Talk about organic growth. It just takes a little bit of time, effort, and research to be able to find the right communities that will allow you to join their group as your page. Okay, and you might be like, how do I do that? So I'm going to show you very quickly, roughly, because I don't have my mobile phone screen pulled up on my computer here. But let me just show you something like super cool. Is if I go to BeLive, BeLivers, and you see at the very bottom of my phone, it says interacting as your page. And if I click that little button, it's going to ask me, interact as your page or yourself. And it allows me to select which page or profile that I want to be interacting as. You guys see that? So when you're in a group and you see that little bubble in the bottom right corner of your mobile phone screen and it says interacting as, that means that the group settings do allow pages to pending request. And click that little button and it will pull up your page options to be able to join the community. Right? And then you have to, it's not automatic. You have to click send member request or join group as your business page. So you have to send a separate member request as your page in order to get access. Okay, Shogun's driving me crazy. You guys, is that cool? Yeah, pretty darn neat. Now you do need to find, like I said, you need to research and you need to find communities that do allow you to request access like that, because it's not going to be all of them. Okay, it's not going to be all of them. But when you do find them, then you can take advantage of that feature, right? And get some more exposure for your page. A little bit helpful. So 3 ways that I have used on a regular basis. One of them is a brand new update, the group one that I was just talking about. But 3 ways to get more traffic to your page. I see so many people not doing this, okay? How do you comment as your page? Like on another page? Or what do you mean, Amber? So that comes down to, if you have Android, it's a little bit challenging. iPhone is a lot easier because it lets you toggle back and forth. I'm going to go more into that in the event training that I do here coming up. So make sure you click event, and I'm going to be covering all of those little ninja hacks that I kind of mentioned today. I'm going to go into more detail during that 7-day training series that I'm going to be doing here on the Lady Tribe page. Okay. Because there's a lot of buttons that I need to show you guys that it's kind of hard to just explain. All right. So I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. right here on, actually, no, tomorrow, Saturday. We have no broadcasts on Saturdays. Saturdays are Sundays. So I'm going to be focusing on my YouTube content on tomorrow on the weekends instead of doing our Facebook Live here on the Lady Tribe page. I'll see you Monday, 10 a.m. right here on the Lady Tribe page. Bye, guys.